Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here, just keep going down, then you click here on settings here. And just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on trading preferences. You come here to show price alerts on charts. Just clicking this sign, then like you see this color show for us, that's make sure price alerts on charts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.